I'm Megha this side, founder of Hey Self Love Box, and today I'll be unboxing Hey Self Love Box. A lot of people have been asking me that what are the products that are inside this box. So here I am for you. I'm going to share everything that is inside this box. The best thing that is inside this box is a mug which says that Hey Self, I love you. I can totally imagine myself having a cup of tea or a coffee or maybe green tea and reading this Hey Self, I love you. Then it has a grateful jar. So in this jar you can always write the things that you're grateful for, at least at the end of the day, one thing at a time. And after every month you can just open these strips and feel grateful. It also has a 5-day challenge on self-love, so you can do these activities and learn and work on yourself more to love yourself more. And these activities are pretty amazing. It is a 5-day challenge on self-love. Plus they have very cute pencils which again reinforces the message, hey self, I love you. Moreover, it also has a short pocket-sized inspirational notebook with pretty pictures and text inside this. They are inspirational quotes which are amazing and unique inspirational quotes to reinforce the message again and again to you that love yourself. Plus, the best thing about this is it has a notebook which says that swipe right to yourself. It is so important that we start loving ourselves more and start valuing ourselves. This is a notebook in which you can start your journaling practice. You can write your visions and your dreams. So this is all about Hey Self Love Box. You can get this Self Love Box at their website heyselflovebox.com. I'm so happy to share this box, and let's love ourselves a little bit more because we all deserve it.